2 of our trip to Snowdonia, trying out the ExoLens system. Today we're going to go to a town called Llanberis, which is at the foot of Mount Snowdon, where we managed to climb yesterday. It's meant to be a beautiful place set on a lake. We're in Llanberis at the foot of Snowdon, where we're going to visit Dolbaden Castle that you can see behind me. We should get great views of the lakes and the surrounding hillside. One of the best things about the ExoLens bracket is it allows you to mount your iPhone to a tripod, as I'm doing here to capture a long exposure of a waterfall. So we're here on Harlech Beach on the west coast of Snowdonia in North Wales at the end of our 2 days of shooting with the ExoLens wide angle and the ExoLens telephoto, both of which I've been really impressed with. They're great quality, very little distortion, and they really add a level of versatility to using the iPhone.